hi! My name is Sophia, hi! We are the Z Brothers! And we are the Z Brothers! Z Brothers! Don't forget to like and subscribe to our video and don't forget to click the bell. Today is gonna be the challenge. When whoever made the face cry or engage. Hi guys! And we have friends on Bulacan. His name is Sophia. And last time we played the game called When You Touch the Colors. Now we decided to make a vlog. Then Noah says it's gonna be a challenge. We're gonna eat orange and banana. This is orange. Last time when I'm tiny, Daddy want to feed me one orange. Except to Noah. Noah tastes the orange. And me, I just stand on the door not to eat it. So this time I'll be gonna brave and eat the orange. Yet still, what's our favorite food? No, what's your favorite food? Onion. Mango. Did you know last time that we make a vlog, you like the mango? So your favorite is mango. My favorite is apple. And what's your favorite fruit? Apple. Apple too. Our favorite fruit now is this one. Ito pala. Orange. So today, like and subscribe. When somebody like and subscribe, we're gonna eat first the orange. So let's eat first the orange. Okay guys, we're gonna open now. So, 1, 2, 3. Open. Open mo. Paano mo nagawa? Ay, kasi shopping goes. Gano'n na! Then, ipin ko. Okay, nabuksan ko. Buksan ko na. Di pa yan hiyap. Uh-oh. Ang hirap mag-open. Guys, we even have a new friend. He's over there. His name is Chris. 10 years old. And he's 10 years old, much more older than me. It's still high. I know it looks so big right now. Guys, I'm gonna help you, Noah. Ganyan. Are you feeling that? Yes, bro. I'm helping you. Sharing is caring. Wait, who forgot to get me? Open ko na. Guys, Sophia! She just opened it! He's so fast. Sophia, open mo pa. Good job, man! It's neighborly! Oh my gosh! Let me smell. Smells what? Smells like cook. Oh, you say only it smells good only. You can only say that. And it smells good right now. I don't like that before. Whoa! I feel very hard for this right now. I can't believe that we actually opened the skin of the milk, the orange. Guys, we just opened it. We almost done. Let's check in the small skin. Noah, you done? What? Why spill wet now? What you just done? Eating lemons. That was orange. That's so small. They have juice. Magawa na talawan. Mag-pick tayo. Ako ma-pick ito. Tiny bite muna. Pagkatapos ng tiny bite, big bite na. 1, 2, 3. So, si Noah muna. Ano, what taste? Bakit tumatawa ka? Ako na naman. Ang gage! Hindi naman tumasin eh. Guys, ang salap pa yan! Hindi pa yan maasim, guys. Guys, sobrang ano. Parang nag-taste pa yung creamy. Noah. Guys, hanggang ano yung stout, hanggang ma-pink ako maasim. Pag nakain na ako ng orange, hindi pa yan maasim. Hindi nila ito nila. Do not eat the seed because it won't digest and even it will grow. So only you just like this, like that. Guys, this is the best bread. Ano yung taste feeling natin? Ano yung taste? Si Supila, kailangan yung mga kids orange kasi healthy. Healthy po bodies. And even you can eat all the vegetables and contain. So carrots make you healthy. Saka madaming vitamin C. Sophia, ikaw mo. Iduwa mo na yung bones. Yung mga seeds. Sarap. Oh my God, this is a big one.
When whoever touches the banana will eat it.
Huwag na. Ito yung sandwich ha. Kung sinong nag-make na maasim paste, 1 point ito. Ganito yung asim paste. Yun pa yung same sa, sa kanina, yun ako.
Hindi maasin, di ba? Ba't asin mo yung kapatid mo?
1 points. Ito, 100 points ako din.
Ano sa this?
Guys, masarap pala yung juice. Guys, don't forget we actually found Chinese seeds. So you closely to find more seeds.
Let me just this juice.
Wow, this is engaged. When pagkatapos ng this one, we're gonna eat banana because it's even healthy. Just like my Nong son. Last time, Nong son is even more strong. So, we need healthy foods. Last time when Noah eating fish, his muscles became strong. So, we need to eat orange now. Guys, kung gusto mo kumain. Tsaka, don't forget, malapit na umubos. 3 na lang. Sige, 4. Huwag mo iyalo. Nawa, kainin mo na. Bite mo. Bisan mo. Ay, hindi na to. Miyaway na to. Isa na lang. Okay. Guys, finish na tayo magkain ng orange. Next, banana ikainin natin.
Kaso di ako nagpanalo. Because my face is awesome right now.
Tayong dalawa panalo. Kami, panalo ni Sophia. Kasi walang naman taste, no mo pala. Hindi pala maasim. Guys, now we're gonna open the banana. Just open po the banana. I'm a monkey.
Oh, yeah, that's giving me.
Ito kay Sophia. Yun yung ibang banana.
Yan.
Guys, ma-eat na tayo banana. Guys, mag-eat tayo ng banana kasi pang-healthy ito tsaka strong muscles. Guys, pudanin mo tayo yung gagawin namin.
1, 2. Pwede ka na ba, Noah? Yes.
Pwede ka na, Sophia?
Pwede ka na.
4. 1, 2, 3.
I just eat it on one go. That means I win! Yes! Sabi Papa!
Si Noah ang post race. Ako sa third race, si Lucia sa fourth race.
Okay, guys?
Okay guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to eat healthy foods, not junk food and sweets. Bye-bye!